If you have a bakery or you manage advertisement for bakery business, the tips I want to share with you in this video will help you get the best result from your advertisement on Google and YouTube. I have 6 of them and I'll be explaining the details on how you can implement the tips so that you can get good results from your advertisement. The first one I have right here is placing captivating banner ads on popular websites in your location. Wherever you are in the world, there will be some website that people in that location are visiting very often. So if you know some of this website, you can start placing captivating banner ads on the website with the help of Google advertisement. On Google, you can set up display advertisement to target your advertisement on those particular websites, and only the people in that location will be able to see your advertisement, provided the advertisement is done properly. So if you start placing captivating banner ads on popular website in your location, you will be able to get the best result for your bakery business wherever you are in the world. So that is the first tip I have for you right in this video. So the next one I have right here is using ad schedule to deliver your marketing message at the right time. For bakery business, obviously, you want to deliver your marketing message at the right time. And for many of these businesses, there might be specific time of the day that most people will be interested in buying the product. So if you know the time, it is better for you to schedule your advertisement to deliver at that particular time. So when you start delivering your marketing message at that particular time, you'll be able to use your advertising budget efficiently and you'll be able to get the best result because your advertisement is being delivered at the right time the prospective customers are looking for your business. So that is why you should go ahead and start using ad schedule to deliver your marketing message to your prospective customers wherever you are in the world. So that is the second tip I have for you right in this video. And the third one I have right here is targeting your ads to certain radius around the bakery location. For example, the image I have on the screen is targeting 10-mile radius of a particular location in Birmingham. So wherever you are in the world, as long as you are advertising your business either on Facebook or Google, you will be able to target your advertisement using the radius option. So when you target with the radius option, you will be able to serve your advert only to the people in that vicinity. So you can see if I'm using this 10-mile radius as a targeting, it means only the people within that target location will be able to see my advertisement, and this will help me maximize the usage of my budget and I can get the best result from the advertisement. And another thing is that I will not be expecting to get people from a far distance to see my advertisement. Only people within the target location will be able to see my advertisement and they can easily walk down to my business location and patronize my business. So that is the third tips I have in this video. And the next one right here is using captivating video ads to reach prospects on YouTube. You can deliver your marketing message and get the best result for your business wherever you are. If you know how to set it up the right way, you'll be able to use captivating videos to convince people and encourage them to patronize your business. So for bakery business, there's a lot of things you can display to the prospect for them to be interested in your business. So if you start using this, you'll be able to get the best result for your business. And this is another method for advertising bakery business. So go ahead and leverage the YouTube option to get more people to know about your business in your target location. So that is the fourth tip I have for you right in this video. And the next one is targeting your ads by zip or postal code. So depending on where you are, if you are in the US, you want to use the zip code, but if you are in the UK, you probably want to use the postal code. So when you target your advert by zip or postal code, you are delivering your marketing message to people in that particular location. So when you specify this particular zip code or postal code in your advertisement targeting, your advert will be served to people in that location, and you can prevent people from outside locations from seeing your advertisement. This way, you are using the marketing budget to reach people in the right location, and this can help you get the best result from your advertisement. For example, if you know a particular location where you are expected to get the best result from your advertisement, you can get a zip or postal code of that location and use it to target your advertisement. And the interesting thing is that you can use as many as possible zip or postal code to target your advertisement on Google. So either you're advertising on Google search, on YouTube, or the display network, or whatever you're advertising on the Google's network, you can use the zip or postal code to deliver your advertisement to the right people in the right location. So you can go ahead and try this and you'll be able to get the best result from your advertisement on Google. So if you are in the bakery business, definitely you should go ahead and try this and you'll be able to see the impressive result you will get from your advertisement. And the number 6, which is the last one I have for you in this video, is using location extension in your campaign. So if you are advertising on Google, you might have known about the location extension. What this extension does is that it makes it possible for the users to see the direction to your business. So in case many people want to visit your location, definitely they need to know the direction to your location. And when you use the location extension, it makes it very easy for them to locate your business. So when you use this particularly for your bakery, you are encouraging people to know where your business is located. And in case they want to visit the location, it will be much easier for them to locate your business. And this can help you drive a lot of foot traffic to your business location and eventually get more people to know about your business. So these are the 6 tips that you can use to market your bakery business, to get more people to know about you and eventually get more customers patronizing your business. So in case you're having any difficulties implementing any of the tips, you can actually reach out to me on my website www.ojasweb.com and I will be glad to help you. As a matter of fact, I'm a Google advertising specialist with over 12 years experience and have helped a lot of businesses, particularly bakery business, to run successful advertisement on Google. So if you want to advertise your business on Google or on YouTube, I would definitely be the right person you can contact to help you pass your marketing message to your prospective customers wherever they are on the internet. So in case you want to reach out to me, go ahead and visit the website you are seeing right on my screen and send your request and I'll be glad to work with you. Thanks for watching this video and see you some other time.